Hello students, I hope that you solve the exercise of chapter force and pressure and check its answer. Today we start our new chapter, living world and classification of microbes, biodiversity and need of classification. According to 2011 census, around 87 million species of living organisms are found on the earth, including land and sea. Dividing living organisms into group and subgroups is called biological classification. Robert Harding Whittaker was an American ecologist. In 1969, he divided living organisms into 5 groups. For this classification, Whittaker considered following criteria: complexity of cell structure, second one is complexity of organism, third one is mode of nutrition, fourth one is lifestyle, and last one is phylogenetic relationship. On the basis of complexity of cell structure, he divided organisms into prokaryotics and eukaryotics. On the basis of complexity of organisms, he divided organisms into unicellular or multicellular. On the basis of mode of nutrition, plants are known as autotrophic and photosynthetic. Fungi is known as saprophytic and they perform absorption from the dead organisms. Animals are known as heterotrophic and ingestive. In lifestyle criteria, plants are producers, animals are consumers, and fungi are decomposers. Living organisms are classified into two types, that is prokaryotics and eukaryotics. Prokaryotics is of one type, that is unicellular, and eukaryotics are of two types, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular prokaryotics are found in kingdom Monera. Unicellular eukaryotics are found in kingdom Protista, and multicellular eukaryotics are classified into three types. These are kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Monera. Characteristics of kingdom Monera: all the organisms are unicellular. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. These are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. Example of this kingdom: all type of bacteria and blue-green algae are included. Kingdom Protista. Characteristics of kingdom Protista. Protista are single-celled organisms with well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. They have pseudopodia and hair-like cilia and whip-like flagella for locomotion. Example of autotrophic Protista are Euglena, Volvox, contain chloroplast. Example of heterotrophic Protista, Amoeba paramecium. Kingdom Fungi. Characteristics of this kingdom are: these are non-green eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. Most of them are saprotrophs. They feed upon decaying organic matter. Their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called chitin. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. Example of fungi: Baker's yeast, मशरूम. लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.